Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Research. Few days before, I have received an award as a young woman research scientist from Rotary International in field of research and ICT. I am very much thankful for the award, and today I take an opportunity to share 5 things that I learned as a young research scientist. So in today's video, I am going to cover 5 things that I learned as a young research scientist. Number 1, believe in yourself. Researcher's life is always struggling and challenging, but you must always believe in yourself even at a point where you just lack confidence, where people around you don't believe you, when you just go through many difficult times. And this is true for everyone's life, not only researchers. You must always believe in yourself whenever you are planning to submit your research proposal or trying to draft any paper or research thesis. When you get rejections from a journal regarding your research paper, just take it as an optimistic thing and just believe in yourself when there is a downfall going on in your life. And there are 4 easy steps to make it as a regular practice. First, focus on facts. Next, challenging your limited beliefs. The next one, get clear on your strengths and talk about your improving skills. These tips will definitely help you, friends, to have a belief in yourself on every day. Number 2, don't compare your journey to that of other researchers. Never 2 researchers are same and their journey are similar. Everyone has gone their challenges and overcame their struggle. Everyone has a story to share. So don't compare yourself with anyone. What you go through, what you experience is definitely unique. So don't compare your progress with anyone. You need to have your own goals, which will be completely different from your fellow researchers. And once you have identified your own goals, stay focused and try to achieve them. Number 3, network and surround yourself with relevant people. If you consider yourself as an introvert, try to have a social platform on LinkedIn and try to connect with the similar mindset people and the people or the researchers who are there in your field and expertise in the area. This will help you and open you new ways of handling challenges, gaining opportunities, and also you will come up with the similar kind of events that are happening in your field. That may be any conference or any workshop. The next number in our list, number 4, is be patient. Great things don't happen overnight. This is a developmental area, and for everyone in every stage of life and every day brings new learning along with new experience of life. Initially, we plan to have a proper goal like to complete our research writing within 4 to 6 months, complete our experimental results, write a thesis, submit it. We just have a proper perfect plan. But many a times things doesn't work as we plan. And this happens naturally and this is very common and with everyone. Just try to stick to your plan and just try to make different iterations with your plan so that you can have a clear approach from the day where you are beginning. Consider every day as a new beginning and start fresh life every day. Be patient with yourself and be steady. It is okay if it takes time to have a good publication and good top level journal research publication on your name. There are no shortcuts in being a researcher. This is a journey full of patient, hard work, and you just have to give your best shot whenever you get an opportunity. And the last, number 5, which comes to my list, which I always do in every day, is set small goals and celebrate when you achieve them. In the past, because of my approach towards research was very short term and I used to get demotivated or discouraged very easily when I get a rejection of any paper. But gradually I tried to change my approach. I tried to make small goals for every day. I even celebrate small goals such as writing blogs on Medium, creating YouTube videos, sharing my knowledge with you, and I do celebrate them every day and every week. So have proper small goals and large goals for your life, for your research journey. So gradually it will improve your thought process, and you'll see that you are totally a different person. So this is what the research transformation brought into my life. It taught me to be more patient, to be more clear, more focused. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope I'm able to share some of my life experiences where you can improve your research journey and enjoy it to the fullest. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research so you'll receive updated notifications about latest happenings in research. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.